Time for a treat! Wow, she's my dream girl. Every cop loves donuts. Gotta get comfortable. I'm in heaven. They do look good. Ah! Not now! Why is that so loud? Hello? If only I could hold her in my arms. My donuts! I can't eat them now! I wish there was something I could do. Think. How can I impress her? Oh! I think I've got it! Aha! Use the 3D pen to draw a circle. Start to work your way out, making the circle larger. Once the circle is the right size, start to use the 3D pen to build up the height. Just go over the circle, creating layers of plastic. Work your way into the middle. Eventually, you'll have something like this. A mini donut. Switch colors and add some frosting. This is hungry work. Looking good. Then add sprinkles and a chain. The ideal gift. Wow. I hope she likes it. I'm coming, my love. Hey. Psst. What do you want? Come here. This better not be a trap. I have something for you. Aw, it's beautiful! I love it! You're so sweet! Yes! Hey, you. Hey.
This new glue gun is working wonders. Look how cool this is turning out.
Ooh, my new iPhone finally came! Is there anything better than a fresh phone? Just look at this baby. Look at that smooth as silk screen. I'm your new mommy.
I'm happy for you, Sophia.
Let me just set it down for a sec. Ooh, this table's all wet. My phone's not touching this mess.
Oops. Wait, I think I can help. Can I? It's fine, just trust me.
Wrap your phone in plastic wrap. It should be facing downward. Set it down and grab your glue gun. Then squeeze glue out along the border. A nice thick line is best. Now make a bunch of squiggly lines. Great! Trace around the camera. Now start making vertical lines. Looking good. Now it's dry and off the plastic.
One custom case coming up.
This is awesome! Thanks, Kevin!
Ugh, it's freezing! I fell asleep on the couch again? Whoa! Hello, Tangles! There's my comb. And a whole bunch of other junk. Gross! This stuff's covered in cobwebs. Better than nothing, I guess. This thing doesn't work like it used to. Why are these knots so bad? Ouch! This knot is major! Ugh! This is ridiculous! Get out! Come on! Ugh! Whoa! This used to be attached to my head! How did this weak thing do all that? Whatever. My claws will have to do. Or not. Anything else handy around here? What about that spatula? Of course! Use the 3D pen to make the bristles. This may take a while, but the result will be totally worth it. You can make the bristles as long or as short as you want. Keep going until you cover the whole spatula. Time for a trim. Halfway should work well. There! You've got yourself a brush! My tangles don't stand a chance! My hair's gonna be so silky smooth! And I didn't spend a dime! How great does my hair look now? Being creative is great! And exhausting. Excuse me. I've gotta get into my locker. It's so weird that she's studying right here. Shoot! There's the bell. Hey! How did my skirt get caught in the locker? Ooh, it's really caught in there. I better just yank it free. Ugh! It yanked free of me instead! No, I better not try that. Oh, there's a huge hole. Wait a second. Yes! My 3D pen! I'm so glad I brought this to school. I'll just draw a cute little design around the hole in the skirt. Now to start filling it in. Gotta make sure the hole's covered. Okay, now for the next color. And to cover this part of the hole too. There! The hole's hidden! Now for extra details. I'll fill in the ears. And now for little eyes. Can't forget a nose and mouth either. Aw, the fox turned out so adorable! The hole is hidden and my skirt's extra cute now!
How am I gonna memorize all this? The exam's in 2 hours. Gotta love brain food. Maybe you should have set down a placemat? Huh? Oh no, it's Lana's phone! She'd kill me if she saw this mess. She's coming! Have you seen my phone, Adam? What? Why don't you watch where you eat? Just look at this thing. Gross. I feel really bad, Lana. Whoa, wasn't expecting that. Be right back, okay? Did you know noodles can be art? Instead of using wet, sticky ones, make your own. Squeeze out candy clay into a syringe. Doesn't look like noodles, does it? Just you wait. Take a clear plastic phone case and squeeze out the clay in this pattern. Kinda looks like ramen noodles, right? The more you squeeze, the more real it looks. Add accents like little cracked eggs. Aw, look at that tiny piece of bacon. Hey, sorry I missed your call. Whoa, check it out! Are those the noodles I spilled? Get your own noodles, Adam. Who knew I was good at painting?
Hey there, Ava. You sure are sparkling today. Is that real? No! Is that David? No! My hair! That was supposed to be flirty! Ugh, stupid long hair. That's better. He doesn't even notice me. Ava gets all the attention. Seriously? Let's try this again. It's all good. Huh? All my stuff fell out of here! This day just keeps getting better. Hi, David! Whoa! Look at Annie's earrings! Hey! Me? Excuse me? Where are you going? Ugh! You really like them? They're one of a kind, too. Just message me on Insta. Ugh, Annie thinks she's slick. Her earrings are pretty cool. I like your ear candy. I'll help you make some. Trace a picture of a leaf with a 3D pen. Color it in, too. Looks like a real leaf, see? Once it's dry, attach it to a chain. Then add another leaf down below. You can mix and match them. Nice! Annie, thank you. At least they look expensive.
Starting the day off with some suds? Gonna need that. This new soap smells so good. Where do I put this thing? There. Uh-oh. Watch your step, Bella! Ugh, she's going down. Huh? I'd better check it out. You okay, Bella? I got soaped! Yeah! Help me! I hate when that happens. But maybe I can help. With a hot glue gun, you can create friction on the tub's surface. Use sparkly glue too if you like. Once you've made a square, add in little rivets like this. Once it's dry, put the soap on it. You're welcome! Wow, Vicky, thanks! Now you can sing to your heart's content. Just maybe no dancing. There you go.
Better wash my hands. I like how this soap smells. Shoot, it's so slippery. Gotcha! What? Are you kidding me? Come on, soap. I need you to stay in place. No more slipping and sliding. Oh, come on! How did that happen? Okay, there has to be something I can do. The tray, of course. In you go, soap. This is your new home. Jeesh. Hey, what the heck? The soap got all melty and gross. Ew, I hate it like this. Gross, I don't even want to use it. It's fine, I'll just get a new bar. But if I put it in the tray, it'll get gross too. Think, Jennifer, think. Whew, that might work. Time to break out the trusty hot glue. A nice rectangle with a gap toward the sink. And I need to add some squiggles too. Just like that. Perfect. Now it's time to wash my hands. New bars of soap are the best! And now the soap can rest right here. It's working! The water is draining off. Now the soap won't get gross or slide into the sink. Problem solved! Go me!
Nothing says sleepover like a pillow fight. Ugh! My hair!
My vision's been compromised! Ugh. Too much hair, dude. Okay, hold it. I need a minute. Don't I have a hair tie around here? Close enough.
Not so fast. I saw it first.
Huh? But I needed more! Gimme! Gah! Now look what you've done. But perhaps there's something better. Time for the Plan B box. We need your help, Magic Pan. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. First, we need some wavy lines. Then close them up and color them in. It'll make sense in a minute. Use a white brush to make teeny tiny hearts. Aren't they precious? Okay, one more. What's a craft without a little sparkle? Next, attach the ends to one another. Then stick it into your hair. No hair is getting in this face. Whoa!
Whoa. The fight is officially back on. Whoa! Look at all this gorgeous stuff! This butterfly is so me. But why stop there? I mean, what are fingers for, right?
Oh, you look seriously awesome. But what about me? I made this little guy myself. Meh. This
this makes more of a statement. Maybe too much. Could this work? Why do I even try? Wait a second. I got it! Of course! See this heart? Outline it with your glue pen. I chose red. Now color it in. The crown's up next. Fit for a queen, I suppose. Aw, how adorable is this flower? You can use different colors if you want. Let's fill in those petals. Ah, perfection. Wondering what that is? It's the part that goes around your finger. Now, remember the heart you made? Put a glob of glue here and stick the ring on top. Look at you, making jewelry. So adorable. Can you believe this? 4 handmade rings, baby. Huh? Where'd you get those? Gimme! These are one of a kind, huh? Oh, can I try this one? Oh, I love it! Ring sisters!
Let's see if she's actually asleep. She moved! I gotta take it and get out of here! Phew, that was a close one. Hey, look! I got her makeup bag! No! We can't use that! She'll get mad! Ugh, you're such a wimp! She's gonna get in trouble! Yes! This lipstick is rad! Oh my gosh, are those her scissors? Maybe my hair could use a little trim. Bangs are gonna be great! Just gotta cut them straight across. Oh no! What have I done? Ah! Ugh, now what? Oh, wow. That's a problem. Hey! The 3D pen! This will totally fix the problem! Just gotta draw the shape like this. And now to fill it in. Just like that. Done! Okay, now I've gotta flip it over. I'll put a little dot here and secure the ends together. There we go. On to the next step. Some blue dots will help. Not too many, though. Okay, I think I'm finished. Look what I made you. Here. Let me show you. See? Now your bangs are pinned back. Wow! Thank you so much! Ahem. Who took my makeup bag? It was her! Not me!
You and your classmate may have similar taste, but that can pose some problems. See ya! Hemingway sure is interesting. Huh? What? I don't remember packing this. I don't even cheer! Wait, is that my backpack? Which gives me a great idea. Draw a name and outline it with your glue pen. I chose a fun bubble letter style. And you can pick the colors too. Don't forget the hidden spots. Like around the E. Then it's time for the colors. Put the glue in different directions to see the letters better. Or make the end of each stroke more defined. Add an outline and a chain. Let's see who grabs the wrong bag now. Huh? That's not my name. Medicine? Huh, that was close, huh? Saved by the name tag.
This colored glue is pretty cool. Not too shabby, huh? Oh, what a waste of time. I, however, am off to work. When on earth did this happen? Look at all this string! It just keeps going and going! Seriously? This hole's the size of Alabama! Oh, I can't believe this! Care to explain what's on my head? It's this hole! I wonder if I can fashion something. It's just a little hole, right? I wonder if I can fashion something. Lay the jacket down and form a yellow circle around it. Careful. Perfect. Now fill it in so that it's solid. Be patient. It may take a minute. And the hole's officially covered. Use black to make a little face. He's pretty cute, huh? This was brilliant, Brian. You totally saved the day. It's awesome! See ya!
Time for my morning shower. Gotta keep my hair dry, though. And here's my body scrub. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna get nice and sudsy. Okay, that should be enough. Scrub, scrub, scrub! I love clean skin! Oh, I can't reach my back! Come on, I just gotta stretch! Oh, wait, maybe if I use the wall. Nope, that was an utter failure. What if I… Eureka! Come here, glue gun! I'll just make some squiggly lines. Good. And now to add some dots. This is actually a pretty cute pattern. Okay, that should do it. Let's see if this works. Hey, not bad! I'm scrubbing my back without using my hands. Yeah, I was right! This popcorn is so good! Where is it? Where is it? Maybe it's under these pillows. What are you doing? Stop throwing pillows at me. Let me check under your legs. It's useless! I've looked everywhere! What's your problem? I'm missing one of my earrings. I can't find it. Huh. Well, this leaf kinda looks like it. Give me a bit. I can totally fix this for you. 3D pen to the rescue once more! This green is so pretty! I really like how it's shiny. On to the other side of the leaf. It's kind of fun tracing a real leaf. Done! Now to slide it off. It almost looks like real foliage. Time to attach the hook for the earring. Good. Now to make another. They're ready to wear. Look what I have for you! Here! Nice! Let me try them on! How do they look? Good? Yay! Oh my gosh! I love them! They look like real leaves! So pretty! Well, there you go. You don't have to worry anymore.
Adam's sure having a good time. Too bad everyone else is bored sick. This party is a dud. Tell me about it. This thing's getting pretty big. It's still going. Oh boy. It has a mind of its own. Who threw this? It wasn't me. There goes my fun. This party really is a bummer. Unless… I'll be right back, guys. Fill a balloon with water. Then put a glob of lotion onto it. Then rub it with your hands. Keep going till it's all over the balloon. Once that's done, use a hot glue gun to make little shapes like this. Make them around the entire balloon. Nice! Once it's all dry, carefully hold the tip of the balloon. Then put a cup nearby. Now snip the top of the balloon and loosen your grip to let the water out. Once it's empty, take the balloon out. See? Ready to take this party up a notch? What's that? Watch this. It goes on top of my phone light. And now, we dance. Finally, some smiling faces. Way to save the party, Adam.
This hair is ready for class! Now, where are those books? Aha! I sure need a lot these days. What am I missing? Where are my pens? I swear I left it around here somewhere. Oh god! Give that back, stupid mouse! I really need those, okay? Ugh! I can't believe this! Hey! An old chip can! I can work with this! Put hot glue along the sides, like this. Then zigzag it. Now turn the can upside down and put glue along the bottom's edge. Don't forget about the middle. A crisscross pattern is good. There! Now turn the whole thing over and take the can out. Stick the top and bottom on. And snag a zipper. Pencil case, anyone? Wow! I sure am crafty when I need to be. Don't want to be late!
Just doing some cleaning. What's this? Drink rings on the furniture? There we go. All cleaned up. More drink rings? I thought I already cleaned some.
Well, these ones came right up too. On to the next room.
On the mirror? How is this even possible?
I'll just get this off his face.
You just keep napping, dear. Phew! That's a lot of cleaning. What? Look at all those rings! This is getting out of control!
Huh? What's this? Oh, it's one of those 3D pens. Huh.
Might as well just give it a try. I'll need to measure a cut by tracing it. Just like that. Now to give it some character. Eyes and a mouth to start. Look at that little face. So cute! Alright, now to start with the 3D pen. I'll just fill in the circle with this yellow. Done! Now for some white. Just have to fill in the eyes. Black for the pupils and mouth. Can't forget the cute little tongue. Oh, it turned out darling! Oh, this little face, it's just so cute!
Mom? What are you doing?
No! Don't you dare put that drink down! Go, little face! Save the furniture!
Phew! From now on, you use a coaster. I'm tired of having to clean all the rings on the furniture. And, maybe clean up your room, too. I have to admit, it's a cute coaster.
Oh, wow, I'm tired. This bath will make me feel better. Better brush my hair first so it doesn't get tangled in the water. Perfect. It's bath time. Wait! Oh no! Where's all my hot water? No, the drain plug isn't working! Where did this hole come from? How am I supposed to take a bath now? Everything has been ruined.
All right, got this balloon blowing up. Hey, here's a balloon.
Oh, thanks. It is pretty. Wait, I think this just solved my problem. Thank you.
Oh, she took my balloon away. Good thing I've got more.
All right, time to get to work. I'll need to cut off the back end of this syringe. Next up, it's balloon time. I'll need to roll it down like this. Perfect. Okay, now I need the piece I cut off. It goes right into the balloon. Now I'll need to add some hot glue inside the balloon. That's a lot of glue, but I don't want to be skimpy. Once it's dried, I can take off the plastic part. I'll just carefully pull it out of the balloon. Now I'll just tie off the balloon. Yay! My new drain stopper is complete. Excellent. It's keeping water in the tub. This is everything I need. Perfectly relaxing.
This sun feels great, huh? What you reading? Ooh, that's some fancy stuff. Someone has jewels on the brain. BRB! Hey there! Have anything like this? You're in luck, sir. How's this look? Ooh, I don't know if I can swing that. This? Even more expensive! What about this? Oh, man. Hold on. Help! What do I do? Yes! See this marker? Use a glue pen to create a fun design. Keep going, and make sure it wraps around. Take it off once it's dry. Wow! What? Pick a hand. This one. Okay, this one. Ta-da! Is that for me? It's so unique! A real ring, and it's mine! I won't be needing this anymore. I love it! Alright, you pass. Go on through. Have a good time. Oh no. This won't work at all. Didn't you see the signs? Our dress code means you need to wear a dress. You'll have to leave. Go on. Ugh, what a bummer! I didn't know. Now what am I gonna do? Hey! My 3D pen! Yep, I think this can solve my problem. Oof, this is a lot of hard work. And now a ribbon to finish it off. Yes! Now that's a dress! Excuse me, I'm back. Whoa! How did you do that? Well, alright. Looks like you meet the dress code now. Enjoy the rest of your time. Wow! Your dress is so cool! Thanks! I made it myself. This is such a great club!